Parliament saw a heated face-off today. This time it was actor politician Jaya Bachchan and Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankad who had a face-off yet again. Rajya Sabha member Jaya Bachchan took umbrage to the chairman's tone when he asked her to speak during a debate. During the proceedings, Dhankad invited Jaya Bachchan to speak, saying Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. To this, Jaya curtly responded that his tone was not acceptable. Let's take a look at this first.
Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ, और सर मुझे माफ करिएगा मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair. And I remember when I went to school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. One second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable members. No. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jayaji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, she's given to you. No, don't have floor now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here and build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing. No. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? She's a senior member of parliament.
And the senior member of parliament has a license. Nothing is going on record. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. Yes, I have to be in reaction mode to take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, my tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. Nothing will happen, Khargeji. Thinking has to be from within. Nothing will happen. We have to get... No, Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat. Take your seat. No. It is misconduct. It's a misconduct.
Now, Rajya Sabha member Jaya Bachchan spoke after the ruckus in the parliament. She said it was very humiliating for her. The tone was offensive. Kitna sehen kare? That's what Jaya Bachchan said. Jaya Bachchan also said he always asks us to come to the chamber. Why should we go to his chamber? Listen.
It was a very humiliating experience because continuously जो बर्ताव हो रहा है member of parliaments के साथ, especially opposition के साथ, आप जो है इतने आपका जो एक्सप्रेशन जो टोन है वो इतना खराब है और ऑफेंसिव है कि कितना सहन करें। और जो अपना ट्रेजरी बेंच के लोग हैं वो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, बुद्धिहीन बोल रहे हैं, और वो जो है अपना उसके ऊपर अगर हम लोग कमेंट करते हैं तो कहते हैं चेंबर में आके बात कर लीजिए। चेंबर में क्यों? हमारा कहना है कि आप फ्लोर पे बात हो रही है, आप फ्लोर पे जवाब दीजिए। हर चीज में हम चेंबर में क्यों जाए? I objected to the tone used by the chair. We are not school children. We are all, and some of us are senior citizens. I was upset with the tone, and especially when LOP stood up to speak, he had switched off the mic. How can you do this? He said, you may be celebrity, I don't care. I'm not asking him to care. I'm saying I am a member of parliament. This is my fifth term. I know what I'm saying. Nobody has ever spoken the way it's being done nowadays in parliament. I need an apology.
From the chair.
I need an apology for saying I don't care. He has to care. He's on the chair. He has to care.